Hello guys, I hope you all are doing well and welcome back to my channel. So today what we are going to prepare is mutton keema, a delicious street food of India. So let's get started. In a mixing bowl, combine the minced meat with ginger garlic chili paste, chili powder, turmeric and a little bit of pepper powder along with some salt. Mix it well and set it aside to marinate for 30 minutes. To prepare the keema, we need one large onion and tomato, and that too finely chopped. As I didn't have a large onion, so I thought of using 1.5 medium onion. Here, I have taken 3 cardamom and 4 cloves and crushed it together. Heat the oil in a pan or a wok along with a teaspoon of ghee. Add crushed spices, cinnamon and green chili. When the spices crackle, add onion and saute till it's golden brown. Once the onion is nice brown, if you have some ginger garlic chili paste remaining, you can add that. However, this is optional. Now, let's add the minced meat and give it a good mix. Let's add some powdered spices like chili powder and a little bit of garam masala. And keep stirring it continuously on high heat for 5 minutes. Reduce the heat and add half cup of green peas, 1 tomato and a quarter cup of milk along with some salt as per your taste. Finally, give it all a very good mix and cover and cook till the meat is tender. That's done. Add some coriander and mint and adjust the salt as per your taste. Here we have our keema ready. Leaving out of Mumbai, I do miss the ladi pav, but what to do? We'll be adjusting with the whole wheat bread. Just toast it with some butter or ghee and it's good to go with the keema. I hope you all like this recipe and do try it and let me know in the comment box how did you find it. So keep watching my videos as I will be coming with many more recipes. Until then, have fun!